And here, let's think about another case. Let's assume that you're running a fundraiser for your club, and many of these people have donated multiple times. So here we would like to have a list of names without those duplications. And then we'd like to count how many times they have donated, and we would like to find the total amount each person donated. Okay? And then also we'd like to have their phone numbers. So first here, let's try, and the function we can use is unique, like that. And I'm interested in this array. So Control-Shift-Down key to select the whole array. And if you do that, you'll find these unique information without those duplicates. All right. And then I would like to find how many times Ava, Isaac, or Emma, they donated. So function we can use here is COUNTIF. So it counts the number of cells within a range that meets the given condition. So here, the range is this again. And I would like to have the criteria, which is the name. So if you do that, Ava shows up 8 times from this list. Okay. And we can copy and paste this down, but in order to do that, I'd like to make this thing an absolute referencing. So I'll hit F4, just like that. And I can double click this thing to make this list. And like I stressed multiple times, when you copy and paste, you want to check if it's referencing correctly. All right. And then the next thing here is we would like to find the total amount that each person has donated. So here, what we would like to use is a function called SUMIF, where we're going to have range given like this. Okay. And then the criteria is if it was Ava, and the amount is what we're going to add all the. After that, we can hit enter like that. So from here, from this overall list, it is trying to find Ava, and it adds up all the amounts that Ava has donated. And again, if you want to copy these down, I'll make those absolute by hitting F4. And I'll just double click this guy, and here you can check. Yes, these are all following me. The next thing here is I would like to find the phone number for Ava, Isaac, Emma, William, and so on. Well, we can just copy this thing. It's for Ava, and this is for Isaac, Emma, the William is here. So you can do that manually, but there can be a better way. And first, we would like to use a function called match. So here we would like to find the row number of Ava, Isaac, Emma, and so on. So the lookup value is Ava from this whole array of B. Okay, so it's from B to B. And I would like to find the exact match. So I'll just put 0 there. So it says Ava shows up on row number 3, right? That's there. And by double clicking, then it says Isaac shows up on the 4th row, Emma is on the 5th row, William is on the 7th row, you see it here, right? And Victor is shown up in the 11th row, right? Ben is on the 15th row, and so on and so on. Okay, so by using this information, next what I'll do is I'll use this index function. The array I'm interested in is this one, and the row number is going to be number 3. Hit that, shows me the phone number. So the phone number for this row number 3 is this. And if I double click that way, the phone number for number 4 is over there. This is the 4th row, right? This is again the 5th row, so it's straightforward. this one here is going to be the phone number for the 7th row, which is William. So let's see. William is matching, isn't it? This is William, and this is William. Okay, so these are all matching, just like you see. So instead of having this in 2 steps, we can have it embedded like that. So the array that we're interested in is this phone number, and this here shows us the row number, isn't it? So I'll just copy and paste, and this can go down just like that, and it goes away. So the phone number are all shown up in this column, as you see down here. All right, so from this complicated long list of information that has multiple duplicates, then you can extract the needed information just like that. All right, I hope this helps, and I'll see you guys in class.